Have you ever struggled to gain traction for your blog? You're not alone in this journey. Tiffany Dahle, the creative force behind Peanut Blossom, faced the same challenge in 2008. Her goal was straightforward: amplify Facebook following, deepen partnerships, and boost blog traffic effectively. Understanding the power of holidays, Tiffany crafted a captivating tutorial on making Christmas ornaments. Initially, she relied solely on photos to promote her post, but it fell short of expectations. Realizing videos drove more engagement, Tiffany turned to Animoto to create a dynamic how-to video. Using Animoto's step-based tutorial template, she effortlessly transformed her ideas into engaging video content. In under a minute, her video showcased easy instructions adorned with vibrant holiday colors and bold text. The results were astounding. Tiffany's video reached an impressive 2.9 million users compared to just 1.2K with photos. Learn how you, too, can harness the magic of video to transform your online presence and engagement.